Hello everyone, this is lecture 16 of class 8 of chapter 1 computer networking. In previous lecture I told you about LAN. In this lecture I am going to tell you about network topologies, and generally network topologies are used with LAN. Topologies are physical arrangement of nodes or devices in a network, means in which design you want to keep or you want to connect all the devices with each other. This is called network topology. There are various types of network topologies. First is star, bus, ring, mesh and many more. But according to your syllabus, these four are here. Now first is the star topology. As the name, it will be in the shape of a star. There will be a central computer. This central computer is called hub, and with this hub all other computers are connected, and these are called nodes. If any node wants to send data from here to here, then it cannot send directly. Data can be transmitted through the hub only, not directly. Means hub will be the responsible for transmitting data from one node to another node. So the performance will depend on the hub. Next thing is there, if hub fails, then entire network will be stopped because all the nodes are connected to the hub. But if you want to add additional node, then there will be no difficulty in this one. You can easily add any node, and if we want to add any node or if we want to connect these computers, then we can use twisted pair, coaxial cable or fiber optic. The next type of topology is the ring topology. So as the name, it forms a ring, that's why it is called ring. And each computer is connected to its adjacent computer. Adjacent means next to this computer. So all the computers are connected with each other, not with adjacent computers only. Ring topology is generally unidirectional, means in one direction only we can send that or we can transmit the data, either in this way or this way. Adding or deleting the computer disturbs the entire network, because we have to break the network, then we will be able to add the network node.